Caladium, or Caladium bicolor, is valued for its colorful foliage of white, green, red, pink, and maroon. It is used effectively in ground beds, containers, or planters, either outdoors or in interior settings. This plant is variously referred to as being grown from a bulb, a corm, a rhizome, or a tuberous root. But in reality, it produces an underground tuber similar to that of an Irish potato. That is, a fleshy, modified, potato-like stem with nodes, which are eyes or buds, and internodes, the spaces between the eyes or buds. Caladium is in the Araceae or arum family, along with such plants as elephant ear, peace lily, and anthurium. As such, the flowers consist of a distinctive spathe and spadix, an example of which is the white flower of the peace lily or spathiphyllum. Caladium is really easy to grow and quite useful in the summer garden. It is a tropical plant native to Brazil, often found along the Amazon River. It's at home in the hot, humid regions of the south, but it actually works almost anywhere to provide summer color and variety in shady or semi-shady spots in the landscape. Also, Caladium is considered to be a poisonous plant, so do take care in using near pets or children if they might chew on the foliage. Since this is a tropical plant, it should only be planted outdoors after the soil has warmed and there's no danger of frost. It'd be best to start the plants indoors, placing dormant tubers into a pot with organic medium such as peat moss, or purchase the plants from a garden center or nursery when ready to place into the garden. Fertilize at planting and at monthly intervals throughout the growing season, watering as necessary to maintain a slightly moist soil or medium. Among the many cultivars available, several are listed as sun-tolerant, so be sure to check the label when selecting plants for more exposed locations. If you care to maintain the plants for next year, be sure to dig up the tubers in fall before the first frost, and overwinter indoors until you replant in spring after the last frost.